This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 10.7.11. Images now display directly in the activity feed. Supported image types include .gif, .jpg, .png, and .bmp. Activity feed comments can be toggled on or off for an entire feed or on a post-by-post basis. Click the Activity Feed context menu and select the new Manage Commenting option to enable or disable comments for the entire feed. Note, when comments are disabled, existing comments are not deleted and will repopulate if re-enabled. When creating a new post, comments are allowed by default. To disable comments, deselect the Allow Comments checkbox. To disable comments on an existing post, click Options, select Edit Message, and deselect Allow Comments. Then, click Save Changes. 4 new datasets have been added to Brightspace datasets: Rubric Object, Rubric Object Criteria, Rubric Object Levels, and Quiz Objects. Now, you and your instructors, with the appropriate permissions, can override the icons associated with icon-based navbars to better suit branding or age groups. This feature implements PI item D2133. When editing an icon-based navbar, click the link you want to update to open a new pop-up window where you can upload or drag and drop a new image for the link. The display of icon groups when using icon-based navigation has changed. Groups with 4 or less links display in a 2x2 square. Groups with 5 or more links display in a 3x3 square. Test sites will have daylight turned on by default in preparation for the August 2018 end of life for pre-daylight. You can temporarily disable daylight in your environment by changing the D2L, System, Brightspace Daylight Experience configuration variable. Also, in preparation for the August 2018 end of life for pre-daylight UI, the pre-daylight interface is now in maintenance mode. For pre-daylight availability lifecycle details, please review the release notes, which can be found by following the link in the video description. Brightspace for Parents is now generally available for all clients. For setup instructions, please review the Brightspace for Parents Administrator Guide, which can be found by following the link in the video description. Brightspace for Parents allows parents to view how their child is doing in class by providing access to upcoming and overdue work, assignment and course grades and feedback, and, if additional functionality is enabled, shared portfolio items and the class activity feed, without any extra work required on the part of an instructor. Evidence collected in Brightspace Portfolio now self-archives. The previous year's section of a learner's portfolio automatically populates with collected evidence when the learner completes or is unenrolled from a course. Usability improvements have been made to HTML templates and topic visibility in lessons. Topic visibility is controlled with a new toggle. Click the toggle to change a topic's visibility. Hidden topics are identified by the closed eye icon in the table of contents. You can shorten the URL used to access your organization's learning platform. Please review the release notes for information regarding URL mapping. Due dates are now supported by the Manage Dates tool. This feature implements PI item D227. Due dates can be edited on an individual basis and through bulk offset. Manager Dashboard is now generally available. Manager Dashboard allows managers in your organization to easily track, assign, and monitor completion of development and training requirements. Managers can view course assignments and completion status for direct reports. If applicable, this information is also available for indirect reports. Users click Courses to view a list of courses assigned to them and their completion status. Manager Dashboard also allows for the creation of learning groups, in which managers can define rules that automatically assign courses across the organization. For more information, please review the release notes. The LaTeX editor has been added to the HTML editor in the new quizzing experience. This feature implements PI item D4072. A simpler interface for creating sections has been introduced to the new quizzing experience. When learners take a quiz, the section title and section text are now visible by default. A preview of the section displays, and the Save dropdown includes Save in New and Save and Copy options. To view more information about Brightspace for Parents, follow the video link provided.